Hello friends, welcome to Rare Makes. Today we're going to make Deadpool from the movie and comics Deadpool. I have been asked to make this character on Instagram, so if you need me to make anything else, you can ask me in Instagram or just comment it in the YouTube comment section. It's your choice. So don't be shy to ask. I can do it if you ask. So for making this character, I've taken a frame. Then I've added a little bit clay for the muscle structure. So you can make a normal body shape or the muscular shape. It's a choice. So then you have to make like how am I doing, or just a normal shape. Just a little. You can also add a foil paper or normal paper. It's a choice. But I have taken clay to change the shape. If you add foil or paper, you cannot change the shape of the structure after making it. So I have taken clay, which can be which
So
in
now
which the
I'm
shape
adding
can
the
be changed
layer,
even after
outer layer, and
even
this
before
red. You can either
even after
add
modeling, so
a
it will
huge
be easy
sheet
for
or
me.
small by
So
single
then
by
I'm
piece by
adding
piece.
some clay,
It's your choice.
red colored clay for the
By doing anyway,
suit color.
the result will be same.
For the suit color, then I'm
I'm using
smoothing
this
them.
technique
I'm
to
just
get
rolling
rid
it
of
with the
the
stylus to
fingerprints.
remove the fingerprints. Then I'm
Then
smoothing
I'm
the
using the
edges.
tool
In
to
this way, I
smoothen the
will.
areas.
You can either add it the
You can
wholly,
either
but
use a tool or
when
just
you
a
add the
pencil
whole
or
thing, it will
anything
just
how
waste some clay.
you
So
can
I'm
use.
just adding it step by step, a
Then
little
I'm
by
using the
little.
black
Then you
to
can
form the
conserve some
shoulder
clay.
pads.
Then I'm adding the black colored
Then I
pads.
made the whole thing.
Then you
So
can do the whole
the
body
whole
like
thing
this.
is
Then
just the
I'm adding
same
the
thing.
arms.
I'm not sure how to make. And due to some
You can either
reasons, the video
add the
got
whole
deleted.
red colored
So
arms or just same as the structure. You can add a little bit skeleton and then you can add a red color. It's a choice how to do it. So there are many methods while making models with clay. It for example, you can make something directly, or you can make a skeleton frame and then make it. So then now we are going to make the head. For making the head, I have taken a little bit of clay. This is for the structure and not the real face. So then I'm adding the red color, and I'm checking if the size is enough for the whole body. Then I'm adding the place for the nose. Then I'm adding the lines in the mask. Be careful to add these lines, because these lines are very special in the mask and they give the good look to the whole thing. So be careful that you give a darker lines. Then I'm marking the place where the eye pads will be. Then you have to be careful that you make it correctly. So this guy is called as an insomniac, a mad, and many things, cause he is a hero, but he works in the way of a villain. Like he's called as an anti-hero for some reasons, cause he doesn't hesitate to kill and stuff. So yeah, this guy is called as an insomniac and stuff. Cause his slogan is really the good, the bad, and the ugly. That's his real slogan. So yeah, but he's liked by many other in the world. He's one of the favorite characters of many. Um, even my friends like this character very much. So for making the eyes, I have taken white color and I'm placing it right in the front, on the both sides. So be careful that you keep the correct amount. Here's we have finished Deadpool. Now just some animation system. Thanks for watching. Please press 2.